Okay, this is how to calculate the order of a complex reaction. I took an example. 2NO plus Br2 gives 2NOBr. This is a complex reaction. This is the overall reaction, and this reaction takes place in two steps. So the mechanism of the reaction, this reaction takes place in two steps. First step is that NO plus Br2 gives NOBr2. This is the fast step. And the second step is NOBr2. This NOBr2 again combines with another NO. It forms 2NOBr. This is the slow step. So we know that the rate of reaction depends on slowest step of the reaction. So for this reaction we have two steps. One is fast, one is slow. This slowest step slowest step is the rate determining step. So the rate of the reaction according to rate law is based on this slowest step. So I write rate law for this step. Rate is equal to K into concentration of NOBr2 into concentration of NO. But here thing is, this NO and NOBr2 are both there in the overall reaction. We have to see whether these two species are present in the overall reaction or not. We have to see. We have NO and here we have NO, but here we have NOBr2. In this overall reaction we don't have NOBr2. So we have to modify this. We have to modify this such that it has to be converted into the reactants which is present in this. Like, see, in the fastest step, this NOBr2 is present. Now I am going to take the concentration of NOBr2 from this equation. How? For this fastest step, write the equilibrium constant. How to write equilibrium constant? Kc equal to NOBr2, that is for this Kc equal to concentration of product NOBr2 by concentration of NO and concentration of Br2. Now I need this concentration term. So what is the NOBr2 concentration? It is Kc into NO into Br2. Okay. Now this NO and Br2 both are in the overall equation. NO and Br2 both are in the overall equation. So I converted the concentration of NOBr2 into concentration of NO and Br2, which are present in the overall equation. Now I take that step again. Rate equal to K into NOBr2 and NO. This NOBr2 I am substituting. NOBr2 equal to NO into Br2. So rate equal to K into NOBr2. Instead of NOBr2 I substitute Kc into NO into Br2, and we have NO again. So instead of this I am substituting this, and NO again NO. So constant into constant, again a constant. NO into NO, NO square Br2. So the order of reaction is 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So this is the third order reaction.